Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Firefox browser. Let's start. First, open Firefox. Open menu on the right top corner. Click Settings. Then, scroll down to the Network Settings section and click on the Settings button. In Connection Settings pop-up window, choose Manual Proxy Configuration. We will use HTTP proxy and checkmark also use this proxy for HTTPS setting to make sure our proxy connection is encrypted. Now we will need a proxy server. If you do not have one, simply go to webshare.io and get 10 free premium proxies for free by signing up. Once you're on the WebShare dashboard, open Settings. Edit proxy username and password to your liking. Make sure these credentials are secure and easy to remember. You will use them to connect to the proxy server later. After saving the changes, go back to the proxy list menu. Since we want to connect to a US proxy, we will choose this IP address and copy the proxy and port details by left-clicking on it, then paste them into IP and port fields in Firefox. You can click OK and save your proxy connection settings. After saving, you will be asked to enter proxy username and password you set up earlier. To test if the proxy connection will work on your browser profile, search My IP Address on Google and click on any of the IP check websites. If the IP address is matching with the proxy server you set up, everything is working correctly. Well done. If you run into any problems, let us know in the comments and we will help you.